Okay guys, welcome to the next Blender tutorial. So today we're making either a phone screen or we can do computer background, something like that. So you just need your dimensions of your screens and we can put these into the output section. So for my camera, I need 1440 and 3088. I'm going to remember this eventually. So once we've got that, and that's all typed in, you'll notice that this changes. So what I'm going to do, it's going to be a very simple project. We're going to go view and we will go to active camera so you guys can see what's going on right here. And what I'm going to do as well, I'm going to go ahead and stick these screencasting keys on because Blender crashed on my last tutorial and we don't have the screencasting keys. I've had to put them back on. So we are going to be making some furry cubes. That's literally it. So to do this, we're going to take this cube right here. We're going to go ahead and we will go to particles, I believe it is. We go plus, change your emission to hair, and you'll see that we've got a kind of six-way hair going here. So what we're going to do, increase the number of the hairs a little bit. And we're just going to go ahead and lower the hair length because that is just way too much for what we need. So let's go ahead and just pull these numbers up again. Make a very fluffy cube. I think that should do for my one. And when we render them, you'll see that it's like this. So if you haven't already, go to your render tab, change out from EV to cycles. And we now have a beautiful little cube. So to make this look a little bit more fluffy, we're going to go to objects mode at the top, drop down menu, particle edit, and we will be able to brush the particles into different places. I will go all the way around the cube at this point with this because we're going to be duplicating this cube into another cube. So let's go ahead and just alter that hair a little bit. And we'll go object mode. So now we've kind of got this nice little kind of weirdly modified hair. I'm actually going to edit that just a little bit more, just on the front here, just here. And what you can do at this point is you now have this nice little hairy cube. I'm going to go ahead, and I don't know whether you can actually do this within this version, but you should do visibility. Let's see, viewports, renders. There should have been at one point where you could get rid of the object itself, but on this new version I don't think that it exists. So, let's see, shading. I'm just going to have a quick gander, see if I can source this for you. Yeah, I don't think this is going to work. So, what I'm going to do, let's go to the materials tab. Let's go ahead and we will go and just change the colour of this one. So we can go with a nice red on this one. And what we can do, I'm just going to press G and just move this to the side. One side or the other. You can go ahead and scale this up if you want to, get it off screen. And then I'm going to go Shift D. Let's move this one forward. I'm just going to rotate my screen just slightly. Scale this down. Press G, bring this back just into formation right here. You'll notice that it's the same tone, same colours and stuff like that. Don't worry, just put your blocks out there and then we'll change this. So let's go scale this one up. And then I'm going to go ahead and place these ones just at the top here. Just kind of like smaller blocks, just floating, I guess. Kind of looks like a face. Come on, let me on that one. There we go. Okay, so once we've got something akin to this, and you guys can mess around with this as much as you want, we're going to change the colours of these. So we can go plus, new, and we can change this to green. So we can select one of these. Go to this drop down menu right here, select green. This will change to green. We could go plus with this one, new. I could change this to kind of like a yellow. So go down to the drop down menu, just select the yellow but get rid of the red. And you can go with, say, like a blue on this one maybe. You could like spend some time doing this and just getting everything kind of correct. Let's see. So this one we could go plus. We could do blue, like kind of like a royal kind of blue. Get rid of your red. That changes blue. Let's go with this one. Minus this off. We got new. Go with kind of an aqua, I guess. You go with the background as well. Just go ahead and just darken that. And then with the lighting itself, you could have multiple lights with this. So you could go ahead, take this light, duplicate this, move this light maybe a little bit higher. Go to the light section right here. You could change this to kind of like a blue, or you could change this to a green, or whatever you wanted to do with it. Take this original light, make it a little bit brighter. So you've got that nice little contrast right there. So, totally up to you what you want to do with the project. I mean, this is just kind of like a basic kind of lighting kind of situation that I'm creating at the moment. But yeah, it's just a nice little project that you can do just to check your lighting, check fur and stuff like that, and do some crazy designs with this. Hope you guys liked it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.